Thinking of shipping your motorcycle to the UAE? Whether you're moving, racing, or collecting, this guide breaks down costs, shipping methods, prep, and UAE import rules, all in 5 minutes. Motorcycle shipping to the UAE typically costs between $1,000 and $3,500, depending on the size of your bike, the method used, and your departure location. Air freight takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Sea freight is more affordable, but takes 3 to 5 weeks. 2 reliable methods are used: roll-on/roll-off, row-row. You roll your bike onto a ship's deck. It must be in running condition and cannot include personal items. This is the budget-friendly option: crated or container shipping. The bike is secured in a wooden crate or inside a shared or private container. Ideal for high-value or vintage bikes. Offers maximum protection during transit. Before shipping, prep your bike correctly to meet safety and customs standards. Wash the bike to remove dirt and debris. Drain fuel to less than 1/4 tank. Disconnect the battery. Remove or secure loose parts like mirrors or accessories. Photograph the condition for insurance purposes. Use a metal or wooden pallet if crating, with tie-down straps. To avoid customs delays in the UAE, make sure all documents are accurate and complete. You'll need vehicle title passport copy, export declaration bill of lading, proof of ownership insurance paperwork. UAE Customs will apply a 5% import duty and 5% V8 based on the total shipping cost and vehicle value. The UAE has strict vehicle import rules. Motorcycles must be left-hand drive only. Age limit is generally under 10 years unless exempt. 1 vehicle per person per year is allowed. A vehicle clearance certificate, VCC, is required before local registration. Like this video? Subscribe for more tips on international shipping and vehicle transport.